Hello friends, and welcome to this video in which we are going to take a look at the MARG Spa and Salon software. Firstly, let's understand through a flowchart that how is MARG Spa and Salon software used and how can it be implemented. So this is the Salon and Spa software process flow where first the appointment process takes place. The customer visits your parlor or requests for an appointment over phone and the operator notes it down or saves the appointment in their system. Then the client visits at the appointment date and takes the treatment and then does the payment. MARG Spa and Salon software covers these three main modules. Plus there are more advanced features and options to which we will take a look at in this video. Firstly, let's take a look at some of the benefits of MARG Salon and Spa software. Our MARG Salon and Spa Management Software has a user-friendly interface. User can enter information quicker as compared to manual system. MARG Salon and Spa software eliminates the stress of processing all the records manually and saves the time. MARG Salon and Spa software maintains and tracks all the required information on a single click. Now let me tell you about some features of MARG Spa and Salon software. You can print company logo in receipt printing. You can maintain shift detail of beauticians or employees. You can prepare weekly duty schedule for beauticians. You can maintain appointment process. You can maintain expert advice process. You can generate daily collection report. And you can print all type of reports. Now let's briefly understand the working process in MARG Spa and Salon software. This is basically the process of maintaining your spa and salon in MARG software. So the first step is to prepare a setup. So this is how the setup is prepared. Like here, certain details have to be filled, which you can get printed on your receipt. You can even browse your company logo. Next is miscellaneous master. In miscellaneous master, you can create certain masters like degree course master, specialization master, treatment master and department masters. These masters are created for further setups. Next is beautician master. In beautician master, you can fill complete details of your beauticians or you can say employees who work in your salon. And then in shift details, you can set particular shifts for your beautician between which they will be on duty. Then is duty schedule. In duty schedule, you can organize your beautician's duty schedule. Like for our employee Gopal Sharma, we have set two shifts for him on Thursday. One is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the other is from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. On Thursday, he'll be coming on the second shift, so we'll tick on that shift. And on Friday, he won't be coming, so we haven't ticked on any shift. Then on Saturday, he'll be attending on the first shift. So we have ticked on the first shift. So in this way you can manage your beautician's availability, days off, leaves, etc. So there won't be any complications on the floor. Next setup is client detail. In client details, you can fill the details of your client and directly by clicking on new appointment, you can book appointment for this client and fill the details of your appointment like the appointment date, the beautician name who will be attending the client, in which shift will the beautician be attending the client and at which time will the client arrive. Next is appointment process. This is the appointment entry window which will be on. So whenever you receive appointment request from your client, you can click here on new appointment. Then this window will appear where you feed the details of the client, the time slot between which the client wants to visit and the appointment time. Then accordingly, whichever beautician will be available in that time slot, those beauticians will be shown. So in this way you can maintain a proper register of appointments. Plus you can organize your staff effectively and also the clients will not have to wait for their turn when they visit the parlor. Because through appointment process, you have pre-planned appointments. Next we have a module expert advice. If beauty experts or spa specialists work in your parlor and your client takes beauty advices from them, so through expert advice module, your beauty experts can write down expert advices. In MARG software, inventory can also be maintained. Like if you provide products to your clients and want to maintain inventory of it, so you can easily maintain it through MARG software. So if you are providing products to your clients, so you can select those products and mention any remark if required. Then you can take a printout of this and provide it to your client. Next step is receipt printing. After the client is done with his or her treatment, then he goes to the reception where his receipt is printed. So the receptionist will select the client whose receipt has to be printed and in this format the receipt will be printed. and accordingly the charges and other details will also be generated in the receipt. Next, we also have expert advice report. Like I said that whatever expert advice will be given by the beauty experts or spa specialist can be printed and provided to the client. So in this format, this report is printed. If charges have been defined for expert advice and products have been provided, then automatically the charges will show here. Then there is beautician wise report. So this is the beautician wise report which shows the beautician name, the date, shift, and between this shift which all clients was she assisting and what treatment was the client taking. So you can view the report date wise. Next is daily collection report, which shows your daily collection. Like here it shows that on this date this much amount was received in cash, this much amount in debit card, and this much in credit card. Next report is facility charge report. In this report you can take a quick look at the charges that you have set for the facilities or treatment that you offer in your salon and spa. So friends, this was the MARG Spa and Salon software that we took a look at and saw that how easily you can organize your staff, you can organize appointment, maintain proper floor utilization, generate reports, etc. If you want to know more about MARG Spa and Salon software, you can visit our website www.margcompusoft.com or call us on these helpline numbers where we have 100 lines available at your assistance. Thanks for watching.